At 𝗫𝗗𝗄, we manufacture cables that enable energy to flow safely and efficiently. These are the ideal cables for photovoltaic installation projects. The grounding of solar panels requires a robust product resistant to ultraviolet radiation, flexible, and capable of withstanding extreme temperatures. Our H07Z1-K CPR UV cable makes this possible. Our solutions ensure optimal energy transmission at every stage of generation, from the solar panels to the inverter's output, whether for residential installations or transformer stations, even under the most demanding conditions. Weather resistant, high temperature tolerant, and UV protected. Because in solar energy, every connection matters.